In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Following that, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. Then, if you want to paste it later on, just click on Clipboard and click on it here. To pin one of your sentences, tap on pen icon at the top right corner, click on your sentence and use pin icon over here. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it though, click on the pen, click on your sentence and use pin icon instead of a pin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!